being called the mother. And I have seen, my eyes have seen that she works for all the students just like a mother. And she loves to be called by the title of mother of all the students. Let's invite on the stage Ma'am Munazzah Noman. Give a huge round of applause to her to be on the stage. Along with that, I would like to request humbly Ma'am Sobia Khalil to be on the stage to give us honor. Ma'am, please join us and give your company and be on the stage. I would humbly be requesting to Ma'am Javeria Shahid to be on the stage. I would humbly be requesting to Ma'am Saima Kamran to be on the stage. I would humbly be requesting to Ma'am Munazzah Naz to be on the stage. And I would love to call on the stage Ma'am Asiya Girdezi. Ma'am, please be on the stage for the special ceremony for the girls, and that is the Dupatta Poshi. Along with that, I would like to invite on the stage my very respected Ma'am Sadia Amir to be on the stage. I would like to invite once again Ma'am Sadia Amir to be on the stage. Thank you so very much. Ma'am Uzma, we will be really happy if you will join us and give your company on the stage. I would like to request the teachers of these three girls to be on the stage. Karya Shima, kindly be on the stage, and Karya Tahira to be on the stage. And the first honor goes to the students. She is Aisha Tariq. Aisha Tariq, you are invited on the stage for this honorable ceremony to get this dupatta from the hand of our respected Ma'am Munazzah Noman. Aisha Tariq is enjoying the best moment of her life in the company of all the galaxy stars. ये तकरीब इतनी बासादत है कि हम सब चाहते हैं कि हम अपना थोड़ा सा कंट्रीब्यूशन डालकर हम भी आप लोगों के साथ इस बहुत ही अजीम सफ़र में शामिल हो जाएं, और मैं खुश हूँ कि हम सब लोग अपना थोड़ा थोड़ा कंट्रीब्यूशन डालकर बहुत खुशी से इस शाम को इख्तिताम पजीर करेंगे. Next, I would like to invite on the stage Zimal Irfan to be on the stage to get these flowers of prayers and this dupatta from the hand of our respected Ma'am Munazzah Noman. With lots of prayers, you cannot imagine कि जो लोग इस टाइम स्टेज पर खड़े हैं उनके दिल की क्या हालत है. इस वक्त मेरी तमाम मैम्स जितनी दुआएं वो दे सकती हैं आपके बच्चों को वो दे रही हैं, और ये दुआएं बहुत खलूसे दिल से, तहे दिल से इन सब बच्चों के लिए हैं. Next, I would like to invite on the stage Amna Khalid to get this moment of pride of her life. This is Zimal Irfan who is enjoying this moment of pride of her life. They are getting prayers by the respected ma'ams, by the hand of respected ma'am of Ma'am Munazzah Noman and Ma'am Sobia Khalil. Along with the galaxy of all head office team, I'm so thankful to all my respected ma'ams that they are here on the stage for the encouragement of all these students. Aisha Tariq, Zimal Irfan and Amna Khalid, they are blessed to be the first three girls who have taken this saadat. Allah Ta'ala is pe amal karne ki tawfiq ata farmaye. I'm really thankful to all team of Al Rahman campus, all Qari Sahiban, all Qariyas, that they have really done a hard work. बच्चों के तकमील कुरान पाक के लिए उनकी जो मेहनत है उसमें कोई शुबा नहीं. अल्लाह ताला इस मेहनत की जज़ाए खैर दे आप सब लोगों को. Thank you so much to all my respected ma'ams that they were on the stage. Thank you so very much.
الشكور العلي الكبير الحفيظ المقيم الحسيب الجليل الكريم الرقيب المجيب الواسع الحكيم الودود المجيد الباعث الشهيد الحق الوكيل القوي.
This is the best moment of the life.
المحسن المبدع المعين المحيي المميت الحي القيوم الواجد الماجد الواحد الصمد القادر المقتدر المقدم المؤخر الأول الآخر الظاهر الباطن.
अब हमारी तालिबात दुआ पढ़ेंगी, हम सब इस दुआ में शामिल होकर इंशाअल्लाह इसका हिस्सा बनेंगे।
مالك الملك ذو الجلال والإكرام المحسن الجلال